Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on creating a custom button assignment on PS5. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Accessibility. In Accessibility, select Controllers from the left. Here in the Controller settings, select Custom Button Assignments. Enable the toggle to turn Custom Button Assignments on. You can now choose a button you want to reassign and then choose the button you want to assign it to. Click Apply to save it to your controller, or click Reset to undo it. You can make more button assignments if you want. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.